walk through.
This is the treadmill I'm using, and it looks like a metro cruise cabin.
Is it?
Yeah, by the menu.
Why you do that?
To get fit.
You want to be fit?
Yeah.
So what's the use of being healthy?
Healthy.
Yeah.
Getting strong.
If you're strong, then you feel happy.
If we're strong, we feel new.
You feel new.
Yeah.
So to be new is a great thing. You feel happy.
Yes.
Okay. Any other benefit of using the treadmill? Please tell.
I don't know.
You feel hungry, right?
Because of how much energy we use.
So how much calorie you have burned? Tell me.
How many
Calories.
energy?
Huh?
How much energy?
Yes, energy.
11.
11 calories. Okay. And any other information? What's the speed?
2.5.
2.5. Okay. And how much kilometer you have walked? The distance?
3.
3 kilometer. And how much time?
8.
8 minutes.
Yes.
Any other information?
I need at least 9 minutes.
Okay. You do up to 20, okay?
Yes.
Until you sweat.
Yes.
That will make you healthy, stronger, and wealthy.
Yes. Bye. See you next time.
Bye bye.